Yep, hi all, quick video on how to replace front shock absorbers in a DeLorean. And obviously I've got no body shell on mine, so it makes it much easier. So of course, normally the shock absorbers here, so under the two 14mm lock nuts, you might have to use a sort of 8mm span on top to stop it rotating. Mine just came undone, completely fine. And then I used a long sort of torque wrench device, 19mm on this end, span on the other end, in order to remove the bolt here. And then you just give this bit of a sort of tap on the top, might need a bit of a wiggle at the bottom, and then ultimately this shock absorber then drops down. And this is the first time this one's come out. So there we go. So this is it here. As you can see, it's pretty caned. It might well work, but it's definitely mudded at the top. So that's it there. So let's go over this over here. So this is the ones I've taken out. You can see they're both pretty caned, and these are the new ones from DeLorean Go, £58. I also bought the new bolts at the bottom. Comes with these. So what I do is I install one of those on the top, and then put a bit of grease on it, and then put the other ones afterwards. So yep, so let's install that and see how that looks. So to install it, say for this side here, what I did is while the car's still jacked up, of course you can put it in. And then what you do is you get the bolt, so the threaded holes part, the tube lined up here, and I sprayed a little bit of grease on it, nice and lined up. I was then able to hold it at the top here and just effectively push it up a little bit, and then give it a light tap with a rubber mallet just to knock it up into position. Once it was in position, I could then insert the bolt all the way through to get lined up. Now I took the bolt out from this side and put it in the other side, and then of course put the nuts on top here. So again, in a minute I'll put this on properly, and you can see here this is how the metal cap goes there. So yeah, nice and easy, and then I can jack it down so I can recheck those. I'll torque this up to the relevant torque per the manual, and yeah, really easy job, really easy. Maybe about sort of 10 minutes each side, certainly in this state anyway. There you go, I hope it's of some use, and all the best.